Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to install your WhatsApp on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So in order to do that, go to your Play Store, go to the search bar, simply type WhatsApp, choose from the following. Here it is, so click on it and press install. Give it a few seconds to install. Also, you can choose between WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. So choose the one which will be suitable for you. Okay, so now you can open it up directly from the Play Store or go to your applications menu, find WhatsApp and click on the icon. Choose your language. I've chosen English. Press agree and continue. Allow WhatsApp everything what it will ask for. So there are gonna be a few necessary permissions. So to use these applications, you'll have to allow it. Press allow. Now enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you'll receive a code, and if everything is successful and you're using your own number, it will automatically let you in. So press continue, allow everything what is necessary. Now your WhatsApp will look for backups, so if any backups connected to your Google account, it will propose you to use them. So now set up your profile. So add your picture by clicking on the picture icon. You can take from camera, from gallery, or you can create your avatar, but I'll choose from gallery. Let's choose just this one. Crop it, or you can turn it around. Press down when you are satisfied with your picture. Tap your name. Let's type it. Let it be something like this. Press next. Add email to protect your account. This is not necessary, however, I really recommend to do that, but for this lesson we'll skip it. So simply press skip. And now you're into your application. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.